Addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. First, we will discuss on how to make an algebraic expressions. In the figure, there are 4 boxes. All the 4 boxes have mangoes in them. There are some mangoes in the first box. In the second box, there are 6 more mangoes than in the first box. And the third box has 10 more mangoes than the number of mangoes in the first and second box put together. How do you get the number of mangoes in the third box? Fourth box has 8 less mangoes than all the 3 boxes put together. Since it is not given how many mangoes are there in the first box, we can assume that there are x number of mangoes in the first box. Second box has 6 more, that is x plus 6. Third box has 10 more mangoes than what the first and second box have together. So we take sum of the number of mangoes in the first box and the number of mangoes in the second box and add 10. Now the expression will be x plus 6 plus 10. This x represents the number of mangoes in the first box that we don't know. That's why we have taken it x, right? X plus 6 represents mangoes in second box. We have to add plus 10 to the two expressions to get the mangoes in the third box. Now let us separate the like terms, that is x, and add them together to get 2x. Similarly, we can add the numerical terms, that means 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Therefore, third box has 2x plus 16 mangoes. Now fourth box has 8 less mangoes than mangoes in all 3 boxes put together. That is x plus 6 plus 2x plus 16 minus 8. As we did above, we have to separate like terms and add them together. That is, we get expression like this: x plus 6 plus 2x plus 16 minus 8. Simplifying further, we get 4x plus 14. That is nothing but the number of mangoes in the fourth box. Suppose if we take x value as x is equal to 3. Now we will put the value of x in this expression. That will be 4 into 3 plus 14 is equal to 26. Similarly, we can get the mangoes in other boxes also by substituting the value of x in these expressions. We can add or subtract only like terms. We cannot add or subtract unlike terms. Like terms, the terms having the same variable with the same exponents are called like terms. Examples: 8x and minus 3x. One more example: 6x square and 1 by 2x square. One more important aspect to remember is the signs of the expressions in addition and subtraction. See here, when you add two positive like terms, the terms what you get will have positive sign only. When two terms with positive sign and negative sign are added, then the resulting term will have the sign of the bigger term. Similarly, when two negative terms are added, you have to add the terms and the resulting term will have negative sign always. Let us take some examples. Add 3x plus 11 plus 8z and 7x minus 4. Here two algebraic expressions are given. The sum is equal to 3x plus 11 plus 8z plus 7x minus 4. Rearranging terms, we have to separate the like and unlike terms. Here 3x and 7x are like terms, right? 11 and minus 4 are constant terms. First we have to write 3x plus 7x. Then these two constants, 11 minus 4 plus 8z. Here 8z is only one term. We can write it as 3x plus 7x is equal to 10x. 11 minus 4 is 7 plus 7 because greater number 11 has plus sign. Therefore, 11 minus 4 is plus 7. Now single unlike term 8z will remain as it is. Therefore, the sum is equal to 10x plus 7 plus 8z. Now we cannot simplify further because these are unlike terms. This is our final answer. Collect like terms and simplify the expression. 12m square minus 9m plus 6m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. We need to separate the terms, right? Collect the like terms first. 12m square minus 4m square are like terms. Minus 9m plus 6m minus 7m are like terms. And plus 10. Here m square is common and here m is common. Simplifying further, 12 minus 4 m square plus 6 minus 9 minus 7 m plus 10. 12 minus 4 m square is equal to 8 m square. Minus 9 minus 7 is minus 16. We have plus 6 also. Minus 16 plus 6 is equal to minus 10m. 8m square minus 10m plus 10 is the final answer. Subtract 20ab minus 8b minus 14a from 26ab plus 10b plus 8a. In subtraction, this expression from this expression means we should first write this expression. After that, this expression. Okay? We write the expressions one below the other with the like terms appearing exactly below like terms. We write the like terms one below the other like this. This method is called column method. We can use this method to both addition and subtraction. 26ab plus 10b plus 8a. Then 20ab minus 8b minus 14a. In algebraic subtraction, we have to change the sign here. Plus to minus and minus to plus. Plus 20ab becomes minus 20ab and here minus 8b to plus 8b. Negative 14a becomes positive 14a. Now plus 26ab minus 20ab becomes plus 6ab because greater number has the plus sign. Therefore, plus 6ab. Here, both are plus sign. 10b plus 8b is 18b. Here, plus 8a plus 14a is equal to 22a. 6ab plus 18b plus 22a. This is the answer. We can do it in another method, which is called the horizontal method. Let us try this method with another example. Subtract 8pq minus 7q square minus 4p square from 6p square plus 3q square minus pq. This is the horizontal method. We write the expression horizontally like this. First, we have to write this expression in brackets. 6p square plus 3q square minus pq minus in the bracket 8pq minus 7q square minus 4p square. Now we must open the brackets. 6p square plus 3q square minus pq minus 8pq minus minus becomes plus in multiplication plus 7q square plus 4p square. Now we separate the like and unlike terms. 6p square plus 4p square are like terms plus 3q square plus 7q square are the another like terms minus pq minus 8pq. 10p square plus 10q square. Here minus minus becomes minus in addition or subtraction. But we have to add the numbers. Minus pq minus 8pq becomes minus 9pq. Here we add the numbers and put the same negative sign. 10p square plus 10q square minus 9pq. Find the value of an expression. Example, x plus 9 plus 6 inside the bracket x minus 3. Simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to 2. In this expression, we need to simplify the expression first. X plus 9 plus 6 into x is 6x. 6 into minus 3 is equal to minus 18. X plus 9 plus 6x minus 18. Now we should collect the like terms. X plus 6x plus 9 minus 18 is equal to 7x minus 9. Now put the value of x is equal to 2. We have to put the x value here. 7 into 2 minus 9 is equal to 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. So plus 5 is the answer. Let us take one more example. 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 7 plus a. If a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. First we will simplify the expression. 2a plus a are like terms. Minus 4 minus 7 are constant terms. Minus 2b. 2a plus a is equal to 3a. Minus 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 11 and 2b is equal to 3a minus 11 minus 2b. Now substitute the value of this expression. Here we have to put value of a and value of b. A is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. It will be 3 into minus 1 minus 11 minus 2 into minus 2. We get minus 3 minus 11 plus 4 is equal to minus 14 plus 4 is equal to minus 10. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 8 when x is equal to 0? We cannot add 2x square and x as they are unlike terms. Therefore, we should put the value of x in this equation. That is, x is equal to 0. 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 8. 2 into 0 square means 0 only, because anything multiplied with 0 is 0 only. 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 8. Therefore, a is equal to minus 8.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep practicing.